Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a beautiful Ethiopian lamb wat. Nice and spicy. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So, for this we're going to need some chopped lamb, garlic and ginger, BERBERE powder, tomatoes, onions, KIBBE, which is an Ethiopian spice butter, some oil, some water and some salt. Nicely slow cooked, beautiful lamb. So we start by dry frying the onions for about 4 minutes. Now we add the oil, the garlic and the ginger. Let's go for another 4 minutes. Let's add the meat and cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes. By the way, this pot that we're using is known as a shekla. You could be just using a normal pan or something. Add the tomatoes, let that go for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring often. Now it's time for the BERBERE. Touch of salt in at the same time. Now BERBERE needs to cook quite a long time, so 6 to 7 minutes stirring all the time. Now we're going to add a little bit of the KIBBE or the butter. That's going to go for 5 more minutes. Add a touch of water, lower the heat, and for about 15 to 20 minutes, let it just do its thing, stir every now and then. If you wanted, you could add a little touch of MEKELESHA. That's Ethiopian finishing kind of garam masala spice. That's it. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Amasaganalo.